Here's the 9-foot wide patio door that we installed, swung up with the crane the other day. The guys got it fit into the opening. Siding is batched in, blended, Certainty Carolina beaded Savannah wicker is the color of the siding. The Pella sliding door, you can see the blinds. Blinds are in between the glass, so they're not rattling as you're moving it back and forth. You can raise them and lower them, and tilt them, open, close, all that kind of stuff without opening the glass. Operates very smooth.